In this video, we learn how to use Google Maps in our app. Create a new project and name it Google Maps. First, go to build.gradle. Right-click on App and open Module and Dependencies, and click on plus button, Library Dependencies, and search for Play Services Maps, and add this library. Now we added this library. Now go to our resources or strings and add another strings. To use Google Maps, we have to get a map API key from Google. Now in your browser, search Google API console and go to Google Developers Console. On top, click and click on New Project. Name the project. Select the project that we created. And press on Enable API and Services. And click on Maps SDK for Android and enable it. Now click on Credentials and create credentials API key and copy this API key. Go back to Android Studio and paste it here. Now go to manifest file. To use Google Maps, we have to use three permissions: access file location, access course location, and internet. We also have to say to apps that we have an API key. We use metadata in our application tag. We have to pass a name and a value. A name must be com.google.android.geo.api key. And the value is the map API keys that we defined in our strings. Now go to our layout. In this layout, we just add a fragment that holds our map. Set it to be math parent and math parent, and set an ID to it, and set its name. It has to be com.google.android.cms.maps and support map fragment. Now go to our main activity. We get a reference of our map fragment. Use get support fragment manager find fragment by ID and pass our map fragment ID and cast it to support map fragment. Now use map fragment dot getMap async and pass this to callback as its callback. Our main activity have to extend fragment activity and implement on map ready callback. Press Alt and Enter and implement on map ready. In this on map ready, we create a lat and lng object for latitude and longitude, and we want we search Spain in Google, go to maps, and we want the latitude and longitude for Spain. So when map opens in our app, we want the location of Spain to be shown. We copy these two values and go back to our app and paste it. Now use Google Map dot add marker and new marker options dot position and pass our lat lang, and we can set its title to Spain and use Google Map dot move camera and pass camera update factory dot new lat lang and pass or lat lang. Now run the app, and this is Google Map in our app, and the location of Spain is marked. Thank you for watching.